Hello viewers, I hope everyone is well. Today I am going to show you how to make a full PDF assignment from Microsoft Word. So let's start the tutorial. I hope everyone enjoy this video. Uh, at first, at first open your Microsoft Word. Okay. Uh, now I'm going to write the topic of the assignment like technology technology uh, made the font big. Okay, I like to do this in middle, move this in middle. Okay, now I'm going to font is 16. Yeah, no, 16, 20. This is the big. Okay, now the essay, boon or vein. I'm going to copy this. Okay. uh, yeah, now now I can start. Now I can start the start to make the assignment. Okay, let's start. Yeah, I'm going to copy the assignment. Control C and Control V. Okay, if I want to make this assignment, so this is the tutorial to make how to make assignment. Now now it's showed this photo. How can I drop a photo in Microsoft Word? I'm going to show you a picture. Go to insert and click the picture. I save the picture in downloads. Yeah, I insert the photo. Let's see, this is the photo, and let's again start the right. Start to right. Yeah, now this is the new para. So this is the new. I like to make the font size more big. 16 is better, I think. So bold is off and copy the assignment. This all right, all article is bold. Now I don't want to make this bold, and I want to change the article font, Calvary body. Okay, and all article is maybe 15 inches, but this is not suitable. I think 12 is. Wait, I check the previous. 14, 14 is suitable. Okay, now we this is the new para. Want to see and copy and paste it. So I'm going to change the area and the hyphen, the use bold only for the passage headline. Okay, for the passage name. Okay, but this all written, all article is bold. I'm going to change this in 12 14. This is the best, and the article is Calvary. Yeah, look at this looking suitable. uh, yeah, now no. Now this is okay. Now we are going to check another. Now this is okay. Okay, now we are going to see next negative aspect of technology. Okay, control C, control V, and sorry. Okay, now remove bolt and going for copy this, control C, and paste this here. This is bolt, and going for remove bolt and size 12, and since the font Calvary, but 12 is not suitable. This is 14. This is looking suitable now, and maybe this is more big. No, not big. So I like to copy this, control C, and here control V. This is information technology, and I'm going to make this more big, and I is not allowed. Arial is perfect. If I want to use underline, I can use underline for every headline. If I want to use underline, okay, underline. Sorry, I can see this. Yeah, underline. Oh, sorry, use underline and use underline again. Yeah, okay. Now this is looking suitable. So now we are going to change this to 14 Calvary. So if I want to make this in PDF file, okay, wait, I'm going to make this more big because there is more pics. So I wanna finish this assignment. Okay, sorry, there is download of. Okay, control C, control. Okay, so there is Yeah. Arial, and this is underline. Bold, but area. Oh, no, no, area. This is 16 is perfect. Okay. Calvary and 14 area. Wow. Okay. And this is Calvary 14. Now I'm going to make this file PDF. So save as. I like to make technology for video tutorial. Sorry, tutorial Microsoft Word video tutorial and this PDF file. Okay, I'm going to save this. Okay, I wanna check this. Oh my god, I don't see why it saved. This document. Yeah, see, this is the file. Okay, now I'm going to open this. Yeah. See, you can see this is PDF file. This is a PDF file. So I think everyone is understand how to make a and how to make a PDF file in Microsoft Word. I hope everyone learn how to make a PDF file in Microsoft Word. So thank you for watching this video, and thank you for keep supporting me. Uh, so